Recently, all around the world, there have been phenomena like those described in Revelations. On March 17, 2020, one of these sounds was documented in Houston. Residents woke up to strange sounds emanating from the sky, and videos were shared across social media documenting the unexplained event. The bellows resounded across the city, sounding eerily similar to that of the blowing of a trumpet. But where was the source? Just a few months later, a similar incident took place in Argentina. It was later revealed that the sound was not limited to these two locations alone, but actually occurred in countries all over the globe. Revelations specifically state that the end of the world will be sounded by 7 trumpets, with each bellow bringing a new calamity to the world.